Hola friends, my name is Llajaira, but you can call me Elle. I'm excited because in every video I'm actually going to be wearing a different pair of Minnie Mouse ears. I just totally love them. In today's video I'm wearing these awesome purple sequin ears that I actually got last year, and I love them so much. I'll be posting a new video with new Disney ears and probably new colors every week, so if you would like to continue watching my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Today I'll be using the Designer Collection by Disney ColorPop. It has some pretty awesome colors in it, and I use just this palette to do my eyes. If you'd like to see how I got this look, just continue watching. I start by using my favorite primer. It is currently the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, and I put it in all the areas where I have the biggest pores. So basically my T-zone and my cheeks. I then move on to my eyebrows. This is actually a little bit nerve-wracking doing my eyebrows on camera, but I figured I'd show you the whole thing. I line the bottom, then the top, and fill in. I take concealer and I kind of clean up my brows. Right now I'm using the Fenty Pro Filt'r concealer, but this kind of just keeps it clean, lines up my eyebrows exactly how I want it, and I just fill in. I start with my transition shade in the color Grumpy and kind of place that all over my lid. This allows for the rest of the colors to go on super smooth, but so that I can kind of shade them in together. Next I move down in the palette to the shade Magic Carpet. I really love this deep purple color, and I kind of put that all over my lid too, but not in the front corner. Next, I dig into the color Chip. Basically, I'm trying to light up the purple shade that I put in originally, because I don't want that eyeshadow to be too dark. I move on to the color Midnight Curfew. I love that name. And I just kind of put that on my outer corner of the eye before I start blending everything together. Next, I actually take a spray and I spray my brush because I'm dipping into the most beautiful color in the palette. It's called Thingamabob, and I put that on the eyelid itself. This is a super shiny silver. Doing my eyeliner on camera was also very hard. but I'm just creating a small classic wing, trying to be as super still as I possibly can. I've been in love with the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced for quite a long time. When I'm using this mascara, I actually don't put on false lashes, but it's the best. And I move right on into my face. So I use my Morphe sponge, and I'm like in love with this sponge. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation just because it makes my skin feel so good. It is a matte foundation, full coverage, and I kind of just tap that right into my face, all over. I found this magical product. It's called the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, and what it does is kind of takes away my under eye circles. It's an issue I've been having for forever, so this is magical. I generally use my finger for this. My current fave concealer is the Tarte Shape Tape. I actually like a lot of different concealers, but I'm in love with this one right now. And I use it in two shades actually. One is a brighter shade to brighten up my under eye, and the other is a little bit darker just to kind of add in a little bit of color to my face. And I tap that in. I use the peach powder to set my under eyes really quick, and then I move on to contouring. Now I'm using a Sephora foundation stick for this because I find that it blends out better, and I don't always draw the same shape on my face, so this is just my drawing for the day. Just started taking a brush at the very end of contouring and kind of just making it look more blended towards the end, so this is also in the process for me. Next I moved on to bronzer. I am using a Sephora bronzer that I just am in love with the color, and I put that in the same areas that I placed my contour, just to kind of add a little bit of dimension and a powder cover up. One of my favorite parts of makeup is actually my blush. I'm in love with Too Faced just kind of as a brand, and I'm using this peach one. It smells delicious, and I actually put my blush more than just on my cheeks. I put it on my forehead and all over my face. After my face is all set, I actually line my under eyes. I have super watery eyes, so my under eye eyeliner doesn't really stay too long, but I like doing it anyway. I add a layer of mascara. I'm currently using this e.l.f. gel to keep my eyebrow hairs up. I'm experimenting with a couple different brands, but I like this one. And one thing that people will probably tell me not to do is I curl my eyelashes after I put mascara on. I just feel like it keeps the eyelashes curled a little bit longer and faster for me. And then I set my face. To be 100% honest, I thought this would look cuter, but it just didn't. and I move on to highlighter. I actually put on highlighter last because I love these ColorPop highlighters and they look a lot better after my face is set. So I'm placing this in the high points of my face, like my cheeks, the top corner of my eyebrow, my nose, and all the fun stuff in between. I lined my lips with this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Pencil, and I really like the texture of this pencil. It keeps my lips feeling super smooth all day, it keeps my lipstick in. Then I move on to a lippy called Alyssa from ColorPop, and it is just magical, like my favorite shade currently at the moment. I kind of like all ColorPop products. It's just great. I love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys do too. I'm just like digging the purple. This is my go-to look. If you'd like to see more looks like this and more colors and more Disney ears, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!